Today we're making a fabulous appetizer that is a real crowd pleaser. Not bruschetta, it's bruschetta. And we're adding tomato, basil, and mozzarella. How easy is it to make bruschetta with tomato, basil, and mozzarella? I know you think I'm being redundant, but let me explain. Bruschetta refers to only the bread. Brushed with olive oil, toasted, and rubbed with garlic, then topped with whatever you like. My fave, tomato, basil, mozzarella, the balsamic glaze. It's fresh, it's bright, it's rich, it's the perfect appetizer. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.